Hi, class. My name is Dwayna Respis Palmer. Um, I'm excited to see you all again. I'm excited to see some old and new faces. The reason why I took children and families at risk is because I worked with pregnancy and parenting in the past. I have some experience with a court system, but I wanted to learn more about the child welfare system. I wanted to learn more about, families involved, resources for the families if they are involved with child welfare, how families get in and out of the system. I'm currently working with geriatric patients for the Philadelphia Corporation for Aging, but my internship is in a hospital. So there are times when I might see, children coming in or families coming in that require the child welfare system. So I wanted to learn more about it and how I can help those families, how I can help those children that are at risk. What I hope to gain from the class, what I hope to gain is just a better understanding of the child welfare system, how it transitioned in history and through time, how it is better than what it was before, how it continues to grow, how it could be better, and how, we as future MSW social workers can make the system better. Um, whether we go into policy, whether we go into the actual practice of child welfare, how could the system continuously improve uh, for the benefit of children and for the benefit of families? One thing that I would want the class to know about me and about my hesitation regarding child abuse. I'm sorry, I'm just reading the question. Um, about child abuse is I'm very sensitive when it comes to children and sexual assault. That is something that kind of is a trigger for me. Um, it triggers just emotional experiences that I have towards the issue. So I am a little bit sensitive to that specific topic. So that's just it. Other than that, I'm very open to learning more. Um, so I hope everyone enjoys this class. We're almost done. I'm very excited and I can't wait to talk to you guys soon.